Hey, my name's Kitty.
Hi, my name's Gabby, and then we're going to be showing you some feathers and something disgusting. Keep it a secret, okay?
You taste like bird.
We found a dead bird on the floor, and we don't know what happened because we just saw it, and then we want to show you the bones of it. So my mom's going to come and bring it.
Go. Ew, that's the head.
Oh my God.
It's a baby. I can't believe I saw it. I can't believe I'm seeing a baby bird.
I'll be right back, okay? Okay? Keep it right there.
Hey, where's this video of my sister? She is show. I hope you like our outside video. Be so excited because you're here.
This is our dead bird, and not be very nice, but it fell off. But we join next time. Bye!
Thanks for coming. Hey, what is your name? Join. Thank you for coming. Join next time. Bye.